Hey friends, if you wish to enable and configure Focus Assistant on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So it's actually called Focus. The name of the app is Focus. We can call it Focus Assist, which was its former name. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab, select Notifications, okay, and then you'll find Focus here. So click on this. To start a focus session, simply click on this option here and it will disable all the notifications for 20 minutes by default. You can change this timing here and increase or decrease it. Now you may or may not want the timer clock. So if you don't want the timer clock, simply uncheck this option and start or pause the button. You can hide batches on the taskbar. I'll show you what happens during the focus session. Okay, so it won't show batches. Hide flashing on the taskbar apps during the focus session, in which it will not show any flashing, and then you can turn on do not disturb or turn it off. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.